Students, now question number 6 of the exercise 4.1. The question is, set up an equation in the following cases. First part, that is, you have to write equations for the given statements. Okay, so the first part is, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Okay, and Irfan has totally how many? 37 marbles. So it is given in the brackets, take M to be the number of Parmeet's marbles. Okay, so Parmeet marbles how many? M. So number of marbles, Parmeet has, M. Okay, let this we have to suppose, let number of marbles Parmeet has equals to M. Suppose Parmeet is having how many marbles? M. So now what about Irfan? So now Irfan says that he has how many marbles? Irfan has how many? 7 marbles. More means plus. Okay, so more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. 5 times. 5 times means 5 into M. The marble Parmeet has, that is 7 more than 5 times, that is 5M. 5 times the marbles Parmeet has, and Parmeet was having how many? M marbles, so 5 into M. So Irfan has how many marbles? 7 plus 5M. Okay, but it is also given that Irfan has 37 marbles, है ना? That is, this is equal to 37. Irfan has marbles how many? 5 times the number of marbles Parmeet is having, that is 5 times M plus 7. Also it is given that he is having how many marbles? 37. So these two will be equal. Okay, so we can write that. So answer, final answer will be 7 plus 5M is equal to 37. This is the equation, required equation. 5 times the marbles Parmeet is having plus 7, and the totally 37 marbles the Irfan was having. So we will write 7 plus 5M is equal to 37. So this is the required equation. Now students, the fourth part of this question number 6. So the statement is, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Okay, and it is given, let the base angle be B in degrees. Base angle is given B, and remember that the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so what is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle is a triangle in which 2 of the sides are equal. Okay, suppose these two sides are equal. So if 2 sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal. If 2 sides are equal, the angle opposite to them are also equal. Okay, that is, these 2 angles will be equal, and it is given that we have to take the base angle as B. So if the base angle is B, the other base angle will also be B, because it is isosceles triangle. Okay, and it is given that the vertex angle is twice the base angle. This is the vertex. Okay, and this is the base. This is the base, and this are the base angles. So what is written here? The vertical angle is twice the base angle. If base angle is B, so the vertex angle, this is the vertex angle, it will be twice the base angle. So that is, if this is B, so this vertex angle will be 2B. Okay, so the vertex angle is 2B and the base angles are B, B each. Okay, and now the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know that in a triangle, sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, in triangle we have 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. So their sum, that is 2B plus this B plus this next angle B. Their sum is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay, sum of these 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. So this angle is 2B, this angle is B, this angle is B. So 2B plus B plus B equals to 180 degree. 2B plus B plus B, how much? 2B, and this is 1B and 1B. 2, 3, 4. Total how much? 4. B is equal to 180 degree. So this is the required equation. I hope this is clear to everyone. So now I have solved 1 and the 4th part. So you can do the remaining parts of this question in your rough notebook. Thank you.